Have you ever felt like this before? Or maybe you felt like this, or maybe even one of these. Well, I've got a brand new Icebreaker game that you can play, whether in person or virtually over video, in a virtual event, and it's called Emoji Emotions. Let's start. Here's how you play. Emoji Emotions is incredibly simple and it's a lot of fun. All you have to do is create slides that look like this and then ask the question to everyone watching or in the room with you. And all you have to do is ask and tell them to finish the sentence. I feel like this when, and then you get to pick the emoji. So you could pick the little emoji with the little sweat drop coming down where it's like, I kind of feel like this, but I'm like kind of awkward, but I'm kind of happy, I'm not quite sure. Or you could pick an emoji like this, where he's the angry guy saying a curse word. This is a really simple and fun way to interact with your crowd because you just have them respond in chat or in person, and it just opens up the room. So congratulations, give yourself a round of applause because you just learned a great icebreaker for an event with a crowd of any size, whether it's virtual or in person, called Emoji Emotions. And if you like this icebreaker, if you like this video, we would love it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the little bell icon, which means you're gonna get notified whenever we launch a new video. And don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below if you know of a way to use emojis at a virtual event. Maybe it's for an icebreaker and we haven't put out a video. We would love to learn from you. And then in the comments below, we have a gift for you. You can go to virtualeventsecrets.today or just click the link below, and there's a place where you can download your very own ultimate virtual event roadmap. It is a resource that will come straight to your email inbox, and it will teach you how to create your very own ultimate virtual event. This month we are launching brand new a giveaway. Be sure to follow us on Instagram where we are going to be giving you instructions at how you can enter or even enter a friend, and we're going to be giving away great digital resources like the Ultimate Virtual Event Toolbox, which is full of templates and checklists that we usually sell, but we're going to be giving away during the month of August. So be sure to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for how you can enter this amazing giveaway.